heating the glass. I'm just kind of moving it around, make sure the heat's dispersed. I have it around, I don't know, 7 or so on the medium to high heat, and I'm doing it for about 13 minutes. We're going to aim for about 13 minutes. And then I have an ice bath waiting for it. I'll show you that when I get there. Be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add them to the cold water bath. I'm going to let them sit for a few minutes and drain it, and then I'll show you the next step. So now I have the nice cold glass pieces here. So I'm going to keep it in this old towel, stick it inside of a plastic bag. You could put it in a garbage bag. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it for extra precaution. I've got a mallet. Let's see if I smashed anything. Not yet, but I do have one piece. You apparently have to do it harder. I do have a hammer, and I may just have to use the hammer. I thought the mallet would be enough. So, So I've discovered that it's crushing it almost too much in a way. So I opened it up and I'm just doing one at a time. So make sure to be cautious, wear safety goggles. You don't have to slam it, just a little peck or two with the hammer. So it goes pretty quickly, even one at a time. So this way it doesn't crush it quite so much. If you just put a bunch in, it's so random, and then you get these really fine pieces that it's just easier to do them one at a time. Okay, so in this gallon bag here, I've got probably 12 to 16 ounces of the glass beads. I did try to break one just with a hammer without heating them, and it's almost impossible. So you do need to heat them. Okay, so I wanted to show you, this is what they're supposed to look like, and that looks really good. But if you look down here on the underside, there's a lot of really fine glass pieces that are, you know, really not what you're aiming for. So my overall consensus is, there's one piece. It's probably got a little too big of a rounded piece. I'll bang that once with the hammer. But take them one at a time. It's easier that way. You have less chances of getting too much of the really crushed fine stuff. And if you have some safety goggles on, it is going to ruin your towel. So the towel that I had it in, inside the black bag, it has holes in the towel. It is glass. So keep that in mind. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.